It's a Victor Gumball machine. Takes nickels, Victor Vending Corporation, Chicago 39, Illinois. It's all wood, glass, and metal construction. In good shape, it works well, as you'll see. Chrome's in decent shape too. There is no key for this. It works with a screwdriver from the top. Quickly, I loosened it up a bit so we can take a look. The inside. I'm not going to take it all the way apart. The inside coin mechanism's in good shape. Glass is in good shape. So to demo this machine, I use an old Buffalo nickel. So it should be a white gumball that comes out of the slot. And there it is. 2 more times. Nothing will come out this time because nothing is in the slot. And this 3rd time will be that yellow gumball. Everything works well. Thanks for looking. Bye.